Alright, quick little video before I head off for New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. This is the start of a new year. This video is most likely going up on New Year's, but this is New Year's Eve. But I bought myself a new watch, which is the CMF Watch Pro 2? Yeah, CMF by nothing. Let's go ahead and unbox this, if I can figure out how. I did get the black version. Look at that. Ooh, that actually looks really beautiful. I like the ring. Okay, cool. What does it come with? So it comes with instructions and a power cable. Let's see, how does it charge? Is it the same 2-point charging system? It is the same as the first one. You guys remember the first one I made from my first ever watch video from CMF? That's beautiful. I'm assuming you turn it on by... Now, one of my most favorite thing about this is that I think it's about 11 days of battery life, and also an OLED display on a watch for this price. It did cost me a solid, I want to say like 80 bucks to buy. Was it worth it? Yes. Gotta go ahead and scan this code in order for me to set it up. Go. Was I not signed in already? I think I had a Google account. I think CMF watches have been absolutely my favorite, only because they do last me a solid whole entire week. And for this one to say about 11 days, that impresses me so much, and I believe them. Honestly, they have the best batteries than any other watch that I've ever used. Also the best software, very smooth, you get your notifications. Never had an issue with it connecting to my iPhone. I think it's just amazing. Let's unbind, add device, watch 2. And pairing complete. This is an absolute beautiful watch, and I think also I've seen that there's like interchangeable. Yes, so this comes off so you can change it, but since I don't have any, we're gonna keep it there. This is actually a really beautiful screen. Also, another thing, I do love how they come into the mail pre-charged. It's at 95%. I can guarantee you guys I'm not gonna be able to charge this for another like 10 days. It's going to be on my wrist the entire time, and I will come back with another video talking about it. But I hope you guys like this quick unboxing. I know it wasn't a lot of talking, but it definitely is one of my most favorite devices that I've ever used, and I've always used the CMF watch daily, the first one that I had, and now this one is the new one, and I am going to probably use it until they make a third one. So yeah, CMF, you're doing something good, and I love every single product. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys, and let me know what you guys think of this unboxing and also the device itself. Also, a very simple setup. And again, Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.